G'day, it's Ash from Visionline, and today we're going to do a walkthrough of the Visionline Taurus wood fireplace. So the Taurus Visionline fireplace is a rectangular fireplace. It's made in Europe, but it's designed in Australia. So there's a lot of the features that have been built into this and designed here to be able to suit the Australian customer. So the first thing when we were in the design stage that we wanted to look at was the inside of it. It needed to be durable. It needed to be able to take Australian hardwood. So one of the key features of the fireplace itself is the hue brick line that's inside there. That's also incorporated too in the baffle as well. So the baffle on this unit is actually a 50mm baffle with another steel baffle on top of that again. So it's got an incredible amount of strength inside the unit to be able to cope with the way that we burn fireplaces in Australia. To go with that, it's been designed with a great heating capacity. So as a freestanding unit, this unit is designed to do up to 30 building squares. It's also available as an insert unit, which brings it back down to about 23, 24 building squares of heating capacity. So the other great thing about it and what was required in the engineering process was the burn time on this unit. So it's all great to have a unit that puts out a great amount of heat, but Australians want an overnight burn. So when we designed this unit, it has been designed that it has a burn time of up to 13 hours. So it's a great burn time. You're going to get that overnight burn which is required on the unit. So then there's the design of the unit as well. So we wanted to have a full glass door, so you can see from top to bottom you can't see any metal itself. It's just a nice flush gloss black finish on there, and then very minimalistic on the 6mm outer lining around the outside as well. The door itself has a removable handle, so we just pop the handle in there and then we can open up our door. And much like every other Visionline unit, it's a dual latching door as well, so it's going to give you a great seal against the firebox, and it's again going to be able to put up with the heat which we do when we burn Australian red gum or any other type of Australian hardwood in there. Just looking inside that unit there, you've got some great other features as well, which is really makes the unit a lot user-friendly compared to other products on the market. First thing you can see here is a smoke clip. So the smoke clip is going to stop any smoke coming out into the room when you open up the door to the fireplace. Now, with rectangular fireplaces, they do have an issue with smoke coming out when you do open the fireplace, just purely because of the design of the unit, and this is going to help reduce that. The other feature that we've got here is a reverse ash lip. What we mean by reverse ash lip is, an ash lip on a fireplace is really great because when you open up the door, when the fire's been going, you're not going to have any hot ashes drop onto the floor. It's going to basically drop onto the ash lip. We didn't really want to put an outside ash lip on this unit because obviously it's going to ruin the design of that European look on the unit. So what we've done is we've actually reverse engineered it and had it inside the unit. That means all your ashes are going to collect here from your burning wood and not end up on your floor. The other great feature is that the fireplace is quite deep as well, which means that you can get a decent piece of wood in there, up to about 1 metre long along the outside there, and then you've obviously got quite deep fireplace there as well to be able to get in there. Just a single air control in this unit. It's controlled at the front here to be able to push out and bring back to be able to control your primary and secondary airs off the one control. So 6mm construction of the firebox and 6mm construction of the outer box as well. It's quite a heavy unit, but that comes back down to the durability as well. So as you see here, it's a freestanding unit. The freestanding unit comes with the options of dual barrel fans, so one fan either side of the unit, so you have direct fan force heat coming out of the unit. It's also the optional wood stacker, which you can see here as well, which we've got stacked up with some nice red gum there. The unit can also be installed into a zero clearance format. So one part of the design process with this product was that we wanted to have a true zero clearance unit. So it can be installed into a timber frame as opposed to a metal frame, and then you can just plaster and just use a non-combustible board to the top there. With this unit as an inbuilt, it uses what we call the Visionline ducting system. So you can actually duct directly off the unit and move hot air either into the room where the fireplace is installed or around to up to 3 points around the house as well. So it's not only a great looking unit, it's a workhorse when it comes to heating capacity as well. Being a European unit has the ability to hook up the outside air, so that's on the rear of the unit there. You can see we've got a piece of Visionline air flue on here, so if you're using this flue, it could direct connect to the unit and bring air from outside down to the unit, or you can just use a traditional outside air kit to be able to go to the outside there as well. So the unit has a 10-year warranty on the firebox, and the baffle system, which we talked about earlier, has a 5-year warranty. So built tough, built to last. So if you want to learn more about the product, jump online to visionlinefire.com.au, shoot us a message or give us a call or email. We're happy to help.